Hey guys, this is Bowie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. Today I want to share 3 affiliate marketing strategies to help you improve your affiliate income. You know, affiliate marketers are constantly looking for new ways to increase their earnings. Some marketers think there's some kind of magical pill out there, but all they need is a good marketing practice. Unique web pages, articles, and free reports are 3 affiliate marketing tips that can help you increase your income. Tip number 1, create unique web pages. You must have a separate web page for each affiliate product that you promote. You may be tempted to put all your products on one page, but this will be too much for your prospects. You want to try to keep things as simple as possible. One product, one page. Most web hosting companies now allow you to have unlimited number of domains, so you don't have to pay extra for hosting. Each product will require its own domain name. Tip number 2, articles. Article marketing is a powerful online marketing strategy for a variety of purposes, including affiliate marketing. You should write articles that highlight the product's use. These articles should be placed on a separate page on your website. These articles must be persuasive and include a call to action. A catchy title, also known as a hook, will entice readers to read your article. The article should include product information. However, there is one word of caution here. Because these are promotional articles, they cannot be submitted to article directories. You can drive a lot of traffic to your website. If you write at least 200-300 word articles per week, over time you can attract up to 1,000 targeted visitors to your website per day. In general, 1 out of every 100 people will purchase your product or use your services. So you must drive as much traffic to your website as possible. And if you get 1,000 visitors to your website every day, you can make 10 sales based on 1 out of every 100 statistic. And tip number 3, free reports. This final tip is to promote your affiliate product using free reports. A free report will include product information as well as affiliate links. Encourage people to spread the word about your report. This has the potential to become a viral report. Your free report should make readers feel as though they're missing out if they don't buy your affiliate product. Implementing these 3 affiliate marketing tips will help you increase your affiliate income. At first, you should test these strategies with a few of your affiliate products. I am so confident that this will result in an increase in your affiliate income. Check out my list building report at secondincomethromscratch.com. Make money online made easy. Hey, look, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Second Income Solutions. And Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income.